Hi everyone, this is Stacy in Japan. It's my birthday, yay! And I'm actually just finishing off my tour, as it were, of the Kawara Museum in Takahama City, which is the city that I live in actually. And I just thought, with this beautiful sunshine, enjoying the sunshine even though it's cold, I thought I would just share a few reflective thoughts concerning my birthday and what it's been like for me, really. Um, this is one of the few birthdays that I can actually remember where I'm not working on my birthday, like, employed to someone, doing work on my birthday. I had the entire day to myself, and my only plan for today, really, to celebrate my birthday was to get out of the house into the cold and find this museum, which I did, and I am really, really happy I came. I am excited by the short journey that I experienced today in the museum. Of course, I was not allowed to take any pictures. Of course, it's a museum. Um, the display that was there was pretty okay. It's like me kind of making that connection with my artistic self once more. Always losing connection, but hey, I'm settling down nicely in Japan. Oh, I turned 35 today. Yay! 35 today. Yes, so this is definitely my first birthday in Japan. It's my second birthday being in a foreign country. But I was in the States and I was surrounded by friends and friends who were like family. Here in Japan, it's just me alone. But it's okay. It's okay. I do have my church family, and I am sure they will continue to help me to have a wonderful experience here in Japan. So let me just read what I wrote this morning just before I did my devotion. With no real tradition of practicing or celebrating my birthday in my family, there was never really a big thing. As I was growing up, I can't remember any kind of grand celebration or anything like that. And even as I became an adult, I remember the first time my mother did not say happy birthday on my birthday. And I was really taken aback. It was like either in the night of my birthday or the following day, I said, "Did you forget my birthday?" And she was like, "Nope." I was like, okay then. So there was never really any great significance about celebrating birthdays for me, beyond another day. As I got older, I saw it as another day to give God thanks for life. And especially now, with how the world has become so cruel and violent towards any and everyone, I just saw my birthday as a milestone, something marking me getting older, even though I don't look it. So hey, give thanks for that too. Yay! So I view it now as another opportunity to continue along the path of God's purpose in the land of the living. Yes, I'm alive, I'm kicking, I'm well. Yes, the chicken pox, a few marks are there, but hey, nobody can see them. Good thing about being dark skinned, right? So as far as the social thing goes, on the 14th of January, my Japanese friend is going to be holding a small get together for me. So I will be able to share that moment on that day with friends who are a little further away from me. But today I am really just enjoying the peace and quiet of this Kawara Museum experience. in Takahama City in Japan. So for now, it's bye from Stacy in Japan. I'll continue to enjoy my birthday. I don't know what I'm going to eat yet. I'm thinking about my favorite Japanese dish, okonomiyaki. But I don't know yet. Maybe I'll just go back home and enjoy the peace and calm of the day. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.